Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the must-have tools for growing herbs indoors. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this guide will help your herb garden thrive. First up, let's talk watering. Self-watering pots are a game changer. They keep your herbs consistently moist, reducing the risk of over or underwatering. Always choose pots with drainage holes to prevent root rot. And for materials, you've got options like clay, plastic and ceramic. Pick based on your herb's needs and your style. Next, LED grow lights are fantastic. They're energy efficient and provide the right light spectrum for your herbs. But don't forget, natural light south-facing windows are ideal. Herbs need 8 hours of direct light daily, so consider using timers for consistency. Remember to use a lightweight and porous mix with a pH of 6.0 to 7.0. Ingredients like organic compost, peat moss, perlite and coconut coir work wonders. Avoid heavy garden soil at all costs. Automatic systems like drip irrigation or self-watering containers are super handy. For manual watering, narrow spout cans and spray bottles are your best friends. Moisture meters can help you avoid overwatering by checking soil moisture levels. Keep your herbs at 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and maintain 50 to 60% humidity. Use a thermometer and humidifier for precise control. For harvesting or pruning, sharp pruning shears and precision scissors are essential. And for drying your herbs, consider hanging racks or electric dehydrators. Finally, let's not forget location. Maximize your space with wall-mounted systems, hanging pockets or tiered stands. Just ensure good light and drainage for your herbs. To wrap it up, start small, experiment and enjoy the journey of growing your own fresh herbs at home. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and visit medicinalherbinfo.org for more tips. Happy gardening!